guys! Today we'll be making a puff pastry s'mores. These are the ingredients we'll be using. You can find them in the description below. Let's start! Open the puff pastry and cut it into 4 parts. Spread a tablespoon of your favorite chocolate on half of the triangle. I chose Nutella. Add small marshmallows on top of the spread. Fold the dough inward so that it covers the filling. Pinch the edge of the dough with a fork. Now, apply egg well on the dough. After we've finished preparing the pastry, put it in the oven for 25 minutes, 180 degrees, baking mode. This is the final result. A small like will help us, so please consider.